Cardigan Castle, at the main entrance, there is a footfall counter that counts the number of people that go into the castle each day. The town has a wireless system installed called rhan, and this is used to carry the information from the sensor in the castle to a central dashboard which is on the internet. From the dashboard, the castle staff use the footfall information to judge how successful a particular event might have been, and then can accurately plan for future events. Over time, the system builds up patterns of busy and quiet periods, and this can be used by the marketing team to optimise their efforts in promoting the castle. For example, encouraging visitors to come at known quiet times, and thus increasing revenue from entry fees to the castle and restaurant and shop spending. At Cardigan Castle's wall garden, we have sensor probes in the soil which measure soil temperature and soil moisture. The gardener, via an app, is able to use the measurements gathered to prevent frost damage in the colder months and optimise watering arrangements to grow vegetables for use in this castle's restaurant. The same technique is used in agriculture to monitor levels of nitrates within the soil. Farmers can save money and benefit the environment by using less fertiliser on their fields. So a sensor here monitors room temperature and room humidity. The aim is to maintain the environment at levels required to preserve the historical items. The sensor also monitors people movement, so the dashboard can show how busy this room is and when. This is useful for visitor management and determining popularity of this area of the castle. The sensor also measures light levels, so if the sun is continually streaming into a particular part of the room, the information might be used to determine if items need to be moved or blinds fitted to protect them. One of the risks in water systems is the formation of bacteria called Legionella, which causes Legionnaire's disease. Temperatures normally have to be manually taken at certain points in the system to ensure the water is hot enough to kill Legionella. Cardigan Castle's boiler, there is a sensor with two temperature probes which monitors the critical temperatures. The temperatures from the probes are sent via the town's rhan system and are displayed on a dashboard on the internet. These allow alerts to be raised to staff to take appropriate action if the required temperatures aren't reached. The dashboard can also be used as part of the business's health and safety records, thus saving staff time and ensuring a safe environment for employees and visitors.